Hi children. Yes, so we have already completed the lesson Natural Calamities, lesson 19. Yes, there we learnt about the calamities, that emergencies that caused by some natural factors like earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, cyclones. Then what else we learnt? Earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclones. Then we learned about volcanoes, etc., isn't it? Yes. So these are the natural calamities that really cause huge damage to the life and property of human beings. So we learned about these natural calamities, the cause, how they occur, etc. Now it's time to do the exercise part. So hope you have read the lesson well. Now we will do the exercise. So the first exercise of this lesson is exercise A. Answer the following questions. Okay. Yes. So the first question is, what are natural calamities? Yes. What are natural calamities? Yes, the calamities or the emergencies that caused by the natural factors. They are natural calamities or disasters, we say. Yes. So the answer is the disasters caused by natural forces are called natural calamities. Example, hurricanes, Hurricanes, high storm wind, earthquakes, 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 and tsunamis, Tsunamis, are examples of natural calamities. Now coming to the second question, yes, which is the second question here? Yes, what are earthquakes? What are earthquakes? Yes, it's a kind of natural calamities. Some earthquakes they are mild and cannot be felt, but some are very strong and violent, and it causes huge destruction to the life and property of human beings, isn't it? Yes. So earthquakes, how they occur, you learned. Yes. So the answer is, earthquakes are a terrible kind of natural calamities. Yes, it's a terrible kind of natural calamities. When it occurs, the earth shakes violently. What happens when earthquake occurs? Earth shakes very strongly or violently, and everything collapses. Means every building, large, huge building also, they break down into pieces. Trees, strong trees, buildings, palaces, or buildings with high towers or high walls, whatever. Yes. Then earthquake occurs when the steam inside the earth forcefully dashes out and shakes the earth. When it occurs, actually how it occurs? It occurs when the steam inside the earth is full of hot liquid. So when the steam inside the earth forcefully it comes out, dashes out means comes out suddenly and shakes the earth. Yes, so what are natural calamities? The disasters caused by natural forces are called natural calamities. Hurricanes, earthquakes, and tsunamis are examples of natural calamities. Second, what are earthquakes? Earthquakes are a terrible kind of natural calamities. When it occurs, the earth shakes violently, 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 and everything collapses, 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 break down into pieces. Earthquake occurs when the steam inside the earth forcefully dashes out and shakes the earth. Okay. Yes children, so coming to the next question, the third question. Third question is, what is a flood? Yes, so what is a flood? This is another natural calamity. Yes, when there is heavy rainfall, the rivers get overflows, then actually there are three main factors for floods, isn't it? Cloud burst, monsoon depression, then tropical cyclones. These are the three main factors for the floods. Another reasons are deforestation, soil erosions, another reasons for floods. Yes, so answer is Floods are caused due to three main reasons. They are cloud burst. Yes, cloud breaking out of clouds, monsoon depression caused by monsoon, like cyclonic effect, then tropical cyclones. Floods damage a lot of lives, crops and other properties. So when there is flood, what happens? It causes destruction to the crops, a lot of lives, means death, then other properties also, damage to other properties. Then next question, the fourth question, write a short note on droughts. So what are droughts? Yes, if there is no rainfall, no water or little rainfall causes this drought. It also causes problems to crops and makes difficult for the people to live. If there is no water, it is difficult for the people to grow crops, then shortage of food, water, etc. Yes. So scanty rainfalls means very little rainfall or no rainfalls leads to droughts. Droughts can be controlled by, how can we control the droughts? By conserving soil, by protecting or preserving the soil, we can control the droughts. Then dam construction, by constructing dams in almost all the rivers, and by raising the level of water, we can control the drought. Yes, so what is a flood? Floods are caused due to three main reasons. They are cloud burst, monsoon depression and tropical cyclones, full stop. Floods damage a lot of lives, crops and other properties. Next, fourth question is, write a short note on droughts. Scanty, S-C-A-N-T-Y, scanty rainfalls lead to droughts. Full stop. Droughts can be controlled by conserving soil, dam construction and raise in the levels of water. Yes. So our next question is question number 5. How do volcanoes erupt? Yes, how do volcanoes erupt? The opening on the earth's surface through the escape of hot molten rock, ash and gases is called a volcano. When the hot ashes or molten rock, they escape through the opening of the earth's surface, then it is called the volcano. Volcano eruptions occur when the hot lava and rocks breaks out from the volcanoes. Yes, that is how do volcanoes erupt. So when there is an opening in the earth's surface, through that opening, when this hot molten rock comes out, then it is volcano formation. Actually, during that time, hot lava and rocks burst out, means breaks. Then the sixth question is, write about tsunami. Yes, tsunami, they are huge sea waves that occur due to earthquake under the sea, and they travel with very high speed. Yes, so when the ocean floods shift vertically, it's when sea level rises because of an earthquake, the water travels as a huge wave trying to regain equilibrium. R-E-G-A-I-N, regain equilibrium. This sudden rise or fall of Earth's crust beneath the ocean, means under the ocean, leads to tsunami. Yes, so how do volcanoes erupt? The opening on the Earth's surface through the escape of hot molten rock, ash and gases is called a volcano. Volcano eruptions occur when the hot lava and rocks burst out from the volcanoes. Now the last question, sixth question is, write about tsunami. When the ocean floods shift vertically, when the sea level rises because of an earthquake, the water travels as a huge wave trying to regain equilibrium. This sudden rise or fall of Earth's crust beneath the ocean leads to tsunami. Okay. Children, so our next exercise is exercise B. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. Yes, there is a clue kit given here. Clue kit has some words. So using that words or using those words, you have to fill each blanks. Okay. So let us see what are the words given in the clue kit. Yes, liquid, Japanese, droughts, opening, magma. These are the words given in the clue kit. Using these words, you have to fill each blank. So, first one, the liquid rocks inside a volcano are called dash. Yes, volcano is actually the opening in the earth crust through which molten rock, ash, hot ash, magma comes out. So that the liquid rocks inside a volcano, it is called, they are called actually, yes, they are magma. M-A-G-M-A, magma. Next, a volcano is an dash. It is an, yes, it is an opening in the earth crust. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. Third, dash are caused on account of scanty rainfall. Because of very little rainfall. What causes because of very little rainfall? Yes, droughts. D-R-O-U-G-H-T-S, droughts. Then, fourth one, tsunami is a dash name for harbor waves. Tsunami is a, yes, Japanese name, J-A-P-A-N-E-S-E, Japanese name for harbor waves. The last one, the interior of the earth is full of hot liquid. Yes, inside the earth, interior of the earth, it is full of hot liquid. Yes, so the first one is the liquid rocks inside a volcano are called magma. Second, a volcano is an opening. Third, dash are caused on account of scanty rainfall. Yes, droughts are caused because on account of scanty rainfall. Tsunami is a dash name for harbor waves. Tsunami is a Japanese name for harbor waves. The interior of the earth is full of hot liquid. Okay. Next exercise is exercise C. Write yes or no for the following statements. So given are a few statements. So children, first you have to read the statements and you have to check whether the given statement is correct or wrong. If the statement is correct, if it is true, then you have to write yes in the brackets here. If the statement is wrong or if it is a false statement, then write no in the brackets. Okay. So the first one, natural calamities are disasters caused by natural forces. Is the statement correct, children? Natural calamities, they are disasters caused by natural forces. Yes, the given statement is correct. So you have to write yes in the brackets. So here you can write yes. Second, earthquake is not a terrible kind of natural calamity. What about the statement? Is it true or false? Is it correct or wrong? Earthquake is not a terrible kind of natural calamity. Actually, earthquake is a terrible kind of natural calamity, isn't it? It cause huge destruction. So it's terrible kind of. So the given statement is wrong. So you can write no in the brackets. Third, the interior of the earth is full of hot rocks. What about this statement? Actually, the interior of the earth is full of hot liquid, not hot rocks, hot liquid. So the given statement is wrong. So you can write no in the brackets. Now the next statement, earthquakes are not new to the world. Yes, earthquakes are not new to the world. It is so common in many parts of the earth. In Japan, it is occurring frequently. India also, it's not that far or in between, like in some part we have already faced, yes, part of the India. So earthquakes are not new to the world. The statement is true. So you can write yes here. Y-E-S, yes. The last one, floods are caused by 4 factors. Actually, floods are caused by 3 factors. Cloudburst, monsoon depression and tropical cyclone. 3 factors. So, floods are caused by 4 factors. The statement is wrong. So, you can write no here. N-O, no. Yes. So, the first one, natural calamities are disasters caused by natural forces. The statement is correct. So, yes. Earthquake is not a terrible kind of natural calamity. The statement is wrong. So, no. The interior of the earth is full of hot rocks. The statement is wrong. So, no. Earthquakes are not new to the world. Yes, the statement is correct. So, write yes here. Floods are caused by 4 factors. The statement is wrong. So, no. Children, so our next exercise is exercise D. Can you name the natural calamity? So here you can see 4 pictures given. 4 pictures or 4 images of natural calamities. So one by one see the image. Then you have to write the name of that natural calamity below each picture. Below each picture there is a box given. There you have to write the name of the natural calamity. So, by seeing the picture you have to write the name. Yes, come on, the first picture. Can you see here the first image? Yes. What is this or which natural calamity picture you can see here? Yes, opening in the earth crust, or we say it's volcano. Volcano, V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano. Yes, the first image is of a volcano, volcanic eruption, volcano. The second one, which image is here? Which natural calamity is here in the picture? Yes, full of dryness, that is drought. Because of little rainfall or no rainfall results in drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drought. Yes. Now coming to the third image. Yes. What you can see here, children? Yes. Huge sea waves. You can see here traveling at high speed. Huge sea waves. So huge sea waves that cause because of earthquake under the sea. Yes. It causes tsunami. So, write tsunami, T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami. Now, coming to the last image. Yes, can you see here? The destruction of a building or a house, isn't it? Yes, so it is which natural calamity? Yes, it's an earthquake, E-A-R-T-H-Q-U-A-K-E, earthquake. Yes, so the first image is of a volcano, the second is drought, the third one is of a tsunami, and the last image or the fourth image is about an earthquake. Yes. Children, our next exercise, exercise E. Collect information on the following natural calamities and write places where they occurred. Yes, here the name of the natural calamity is given in one column. The next column, places where it occurred. You have to write the place where this particular natural calamity occurred. Yes, so the first one is earthquake. Yes, earthquake. Do you know in which place earthquake has occurred? Name of that place? Yes. Latur. In your textbook we have learned that Latur district in Maharashtra, once earthquake occurred that destroyed the total place completely, isn't it? Yes, Latur in Maharashtra, Latur. Earthquake occurred. Once earthquake occurred in Gujarat also. Yes, then floods. Recently it happened in Chennai. So Chennai you can write floods, Chennai. Kerala also it happened. Then tsunami. Tsunami hits in 2004, 2011 Japan, 2004 Indonesia, Japan, India, Sri Lanka. So you can write the name of any two places. Indonesia. It's so worse there. Indonesia, Japan, then drought. Drought occurred where? Yes, you know, Uttar Pradesh, UP, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Then last is volcano. Volcano occurred in a barren island in Andaman. Barren island. Barren island means island, the place is not suitable for growing crops, nothing. No useless land, we say barren island in Andaman Sea. See, here volcano occurred. Barren island in Andaman Sea. So, earthquake, Latur, floods, Chennai, tsunami, Indonesia, Japan, drought, Uttar Pradesh, volcano, barren island in Andaman Sea. Yes, children, now it's time to do the project work. Let us see what is there for you in the project work. Look at the picture. What do you know about it? Collect information about it. Yes, you can see a picture here. Yes, so do you know about this picture? You have to collect information about this picture. Actually, it is the picture shows disaster management cycle. Yes, it's an ongoing process by which governments, the civil society, they plan for and they reduce the impact, the effect of the disasters that occur react this disaster management cycle. They react to this disaster that occur immediately, and following that, you know, during the disaster, how to the steps, they take some steps to reduce the effect of that, and also they help the people to recover from that. Yes, so they take effort or steps to recover the people, making the people back to the normal life, and also the efforts to minimize the hazards that were caused, means the danger situation that caused because of these disasters. So they return that community back to the normal stage with relief. So these are the main work of this disaster cycle, management cycle. It's a management, you know, emergency managers are the, it's an ongoing process, which government and the civil society, they plan for, and they reduce the impact, the effect of the disaster that occurs immediately, and they follow the people, or they help the people during the disaster time, and they take the steps to recover recover after this disaster occurred, and migration also to minimize the effect of this disasters. They are migration, they help the people to migrate from one place to another. So for all these things they take care of, they work for this. So disaster management cycle, migration, preparation, response, recovery, they react very immediately, they give response when this disaster occurs, then they reduce the impact, and they help the people to recover to the normal life. Then the migration also to reduce the to minimize the effect of this disasters. So these are the main work they are doing. So that is actually, the picture shows the disaster management cycle. So you have to collect the information about it, more information you have to collect about this, and you have to know about this, what is disaster management cycle. You should know about this. Yes. Next is life skills. Let us see what are the life skills that you learned by this lesson. Man-made disasters are also known as anthropogenic disasters, and they are as a result of human intent, error, or as a result of failed systems. So man-made disasters are also the human-made disasters. We learned in the lesson about natural disasters, disasters that caused by natural factors like earthquakes, tsunami, volcano, drought, etc. But man-made disasters also are there, that is caused by the human activities, or the errors, the careless, because of the careless also disasters happen, human made or man made disasters, they are known as anthropogenic disasters. Anthropogenic means the hazards, the danger that caused by the human action, we say, or human activities. Because of the failure system, error that occurs in the failure of man-made system, like crime, some human beings, people, they do some crimes, isn't it? Yes, and killing others, then war, then terrorists, they attack people. So technology is advanced, because of that we have advantages, at the same time we have disadvantage also, disturbance also are causing because of technology. Yes, so because of the human activities, because of the error, the careless, the failed system also, some disasters occurs, that is called man-made disasters or anthropogenic disasters. Then, as mentioned earlier, these are broken down into several categories, and while this is the case, there are some that cause more pronounced damage, means strong damage also when compared to others. When compared to other situations, this sometimes this cause strongly people get injured or killed because of this. A good example is to look at man-made disasters such as transportation, transport accidents we say, or industrial accidents. Industrial accidents means while working in a company, industry or a factory, in between the employees get some problem, some injury during the working time. It's an industrial accident. Or transport accidents during transportations, like a train wreck, a train get broken from that broken into pieces, it get during the traveling time, what happens from the track, that it will go from the track and it may fall. So train wreck we say, or road accidents, because the roads are not good, accident happens many times. So transportation accidents we say. So because of careless, if we drive carelessly also accident happens. At the same time, if the roads are not good, then also accident happens. And train also it happens sometimes. So these are transportation. So means man-made disasters also are there, other than this natural disasters. Okay, so good example they have given us transportation, means transportation accidents, train wreck, road accidents, etc. So other than natural disaster, man-made disasters also are there because of the human activities, human errors mainly. Some people, they after building the bridges and all, we have read in the newspapers or in TV, we can see the news like a bridge got collapsed. While building the bridge, they have not taken the serious steps, materials what they have mixed up, everything. They didn't take so much care. So after a few years, it got collapsed. So while if any vehicle is traveling through that bridge on that time, suddenly it got collapsed, means many people will die, isn't it? So it's a careless, because of human activities, human careless, human errors, human failure system. These kind of disasters occurs, that are called anthropogenic disasters or man-made disasters. So we should be so careful, without care means so much care. We should take so much care. Carelessly we should not do anything. It may kill others, take the life of others. So man-made disasters happens because of that. So everyone should be so careful. Yes, so we have completed the lesson and also the exercise part. Then after reading the lesson, I think you have already read the lesson, so it will be so easy for you to go through the exercise after reading the lesson. So learn the lesson, exercise well after reading the lesson, and you have assignment and exam for each lesson. So learn the exercise well. Okay.